Alright. Alright, what's going on? 9:45 in the morning. Just bet Mr. Justin Thrash that he cannot shotgun 4 beers back to back real fast this early after eating nasty McDonald's breakfast.
I'll do what I can.
Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and just see.
What are the rules?
You gotta shotgun 4 beers back to back, no breaks. That's the rules. Cash money on hand.
Go. I'll do the fastest I can go. This is my popping tags.
Fucking.
You
gotta scoop them and stab them?
Huh?
Scoop them and stab them?
Yeah, let's get them ready to go.
Don't.
Like you got waters on them.
Pull it up a little bit
Yeah,
to
that's
get it
what I'm
ready.
doing,
Are you getting them all prepped?
Yeah.
Oh no.
That'll be the first.
Yeah. Because I gotta be able to grab it
Yeah, I know.
with my little finger.
I know you little fucking.
Little retard finger.
Fit for the bonus one.
Oh.
That'll be the
That's-
second.
I'm kind of afraid to do these ones
Oh.
now.
You're fine. You'll be great. You ready? Let's get them lined up. You're trying to get fucking break time in between.
Yeah, man.
See, these
Come on.
I got
I'll get you 2 fresh ones.
Fucking just.
Don't make them laugh, though.
I'm not. I know what he'll do. Once you start, you can't stop. I can't stop.
I'm scared of brain freeze.
Yeah, you're good. 3, 2,
Just like
1, go. Set them on the counter when you're done, brother.
I want to see a little bit faster.
Time's a wasting.
Yeah, faster.
I know.
I got a burp. Trying not to cut my fucking fingers.
It's all fucking name of the game.
Terrible.
Oh yeah, they're
You gotta be
natties.
going faster, too. You're
Yeah.
spilling as well. That's factoring in.
Might have the victory beer.
I see the shotgun.
The burp's killing me.
Yeah, let's go. Fucking
Yeah, I know.
time of wasting. Fucking writing an autobiography. Fucking in
Half of
between.
it's gone
I'm doing it for
now.
the fucking Lord right now.
Half of it's gone.
Should have gotten a spill fucking bucket.
Spill factor. Every time you spill it, takes away $1.
Uh-huh. Yeah, I should have had an empty bucket underneath, make him get his fucking spillings.
That is a good idea.
Yeah, I should have thought of that. That would have been the fucking the salad bowl. Fucking, this is taking forever. I'm starting to feel he just doesn't want it. I hear beer in that still.
Yeah. A little crumb.
Yeah, you got crumbs.
Last one. Just like college.
Yeah.
Slow.
Oh, fuck.
It's down.
Look at it.
I see it. You fucking
Oh, I got him better projectile on.
makes the video
You
better.
still got the 5th victory, too.
No.
You're gonna you gotta crack it open and just drink some.
Hold on, I got a burp.
You're gonna, let's go.
Taking break.
Yeah.
Spilled,
We should have done one whole fucking.
spilled most of it.
I want to see that projectile.
Yeah.
You're almost there. You're almost there. 4 beers.
He is almost there.
He is almost there.
Oh,
I'm about to throw up.
Do it.
Just making room.
I'll allow it. Victory.
Victory beer. Victory beer. Yes. I'll allow it. Pay the man.
Still just making room. I'm good. Easy money.
Easy money.
Instantly drunk. It's like I haven't drank in a
fucking
minute.
crying over here. Fucking.
I got a shower.
All right. Well, he just made $15. Oh shit. All right. Well, how do you feel?
Terrible.
Good.